Good morning, students. Welcome to your English language online session. Hope you all are doing good. Children, today's topic is about sound of animals. Now, before I start with my topic, let me tell you something regarding this topic. It's your vocabulary part in your grammar book. India is very rich country in terms of biodiversity. Almost all big mighty creatures roam in jungles. The sight and sounds of a majestic elephant, peacock, roar of a tiger are unparalleled experiences in themselves. The immense heritage of wildlife in India comprises of more than 70 national parks and about 440 wildlife sanctuaries, which also include bird sanctuaries too, children. Okay, so remember this. Now, animals communicate with each other by using a variety of signs such as sounds or movements. Animals might not speak in words like we do, children, but they have other ways which is known as sound. Animals and birds make sound. The sound each animal makes is known as its call. So, this is all about sound of animal. Now, let's see our wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. So, here you can see, children, are your wild animals, and wild animals, as we all know, that they live in forest, right? Here domestic animals and pet animals, and yes, animals are full of love and affection. Now domestic animals, they are dependent upon us for food and shelter, and they serve us also, and they are kept on at farms also, children. Yes, and pet animals we keep at home. So here are your pet animals and these are your domestic animals. Animals, domestic, wild and pet, as I have told you, children, they have features, the kind of food they eat, sound they make and their homes. So this is the way it is being divided into, right? Domestic animals, wild animals and pet animals we have. They've got their own features, they've got kind of food they eat, the kind of sound they make and their homes also. Now, sound of animals. I have few animals over here, and the first one is cow. Okay, so the sound, kind of sound, let's hear. Yes, can you hear that? Yes, it says moo moo. Okay, the next one is sheep. Sheep says ba ba. Let's hear, children. Okay, this is something very exciting. Let's move on. Dog. Let's hear. Says wow, wow. Yes. And the next animal is tiger. Okay, let's hear the sound. Growls. Oh my God. Okay. So the next one here is hen. Let's hear, children. Yes. So hen, cluck cluck. Donkey, hee haw. Runs. Okay, let's hear. Okay, we have cat here. Cat says meow. Let's hear. Okay, let's move on. Lion roars. Yes. Rabbit squeak. Right? Moving on to next. Horse. Horse neigh. Okay, let's hear. Yes. Now we have duck. Quack, quack. Wow. Birds. Birds are not only colorful and nice to look at, but they also bring joy into the household through their melodies. Yes, so this is here we have parrot and one beautiful bird. So can you hear? Okay. So this is all for sound of animals. But children, in your grammar book, page number 66, we've got many animals as well as birds whose sound is given over here. What you have to do is just read them. Okay? Just go through this page, read it and understand it. Right? Hope you all enjoyed this new topic. I too enjoyed and learned also that what sound animals make. Hope you all do. Yes? Have you all learned something after hearing the sound of these animals? Great. Okay, children, thank you so much. Just go through the lesson, read the sound of animals. We'll get back soon with the exercises. Till then, stay healthy, safe, and happy. God bless you all.